Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce overhead with WeWork, detailed guide step by step clearly. Reducing overhead costs can significantly impact your business's bottom line. WeWork offers flexible workspace solutions that can help achieve this goal. Start by evaluating your current office space needs. Determine how much space you actually utilize. Consider the number of employees and their working patterns. Identify any unused or underused areas in your current office. Next, explore WeWork's various membership options. WeWork provides shared, private offices, and co-working spaces. Choose a plan that suits your team's size and work style. Utilize WeWork's month-to-month flexibility. This allows you to scale space according to your business needs. Calculate potential savings compared to traditional lease. Include factors such as utilities, cleaning, and maintenance costs. Consider the amenities provided by WeWork. These may include high-speed internet, meeting rooms, and office supplies. Using WeWork can eliminate the need for additional overhead expenses. Plan to visit a few WeWork locations to assess the environments. This will help you find the best fit for your company culture. Once you choose a location, streamline the onboarding process. WeWork often has an easy digital platform for managing your workspace. Foster collaboration and networking opportunities provided by WeWork. These can lead to potential partnerships and growth for your business. Review and adjust your membership plan as your needs change. Stay engaged with the office community to maximize benefits. Document your savings regularly to track the impact on your overhead. This will help you understand the effectiveness of your decision. By efficiently utilizing WeWork's resources, you can notably reduce overhead. This strategic move can lead to increased focus on business growth and innovation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.